Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the section of your hair tight and then pull it inside out. Now divide the hairs into two sections and then take each section and then pull it inside out alternatively as shown in the video. Once you are complete with that, tie the remaining hairs and then fix it properly with the help of a hair clip and then accessorize it nicely with the help of a hairpins and then it's all done. For the next one, take your hairs, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and then make two sections out of it and then start making the bun out of it as shown in the video and then fix it properly with the help of a hair clip and then accessorize it properly and it's all done. For this one, tie your hairs and then loose it nicely and then pull it inside out. It will be looking like this. Now comb your hairs and then start making the bun out of it as shown in the video. Attach it nicely with the help of a hair clip. It's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then start making the braids out of it into the half. Attach it nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it nicely and pull it inside out from the first one and then take the remaining hairs, roll it nicely and then fix it all together with the help of a hair clip and then it's all done. For the next one, tie your hairs into this section, pull it inside out and then take the remaining hairs and then pull it inside out as shown in the video. Now start making the braids out of the remaining hairs and then tie it nicely till the end and then attach it properly on the alternative side with the help of a hair clip. Accessorize it and it's done. For the next one, take a hair clip, attach it on the middle and then start taking the smaller section out of the remaining hairs and then roll it nicely, attach it all together so that it will look like this. Now fix your hair and then it's all done. Thanks for watching.